So the first thing we're gonna do is doing the magic ring. It can be a little bit tricky doing the magic ring, but I'm gonna show you the easiest way. I have learned to make the magic ring really easily, so let's do it. So the first thing, you have your tail just like that. I'm gonna use these two fingers to do my magic ring because I'm gonna wrap the yarn around my two fingers to do the ring. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold the yarn just like that with my thumb, and then wrap the yarn just like that around my fingers and just go like that. So I am on my back, so you can see I'm holding the yarn and having this like crisscross just like this, and then I'm gonna bring my hook and just go like this underneath this X here. So I have X, right? So I'm gonna go right here and just grab this part very slightly, and here we go. And then I'm gonna go just like that and hold this one. I'm gonna show you again in a moment, but to fix it, I'm gonna make one chain, and now I have my magic ring. Okay, I can make it like bigger or I can make it smaller. So let's do it again, just like that. Again, I'm gonna hold my yarn, wrap it around my two fingers, just have my X on my back of my hands, and then go from underneath this one and grab this one here, just like this, and then remove my fingers very nicely and hold the connecting yarn. Okay, just like this. I'm holding everything with my thumb so it's not going everywhere because it's still not secured. And then I'm gonna make one chain only, and like that my magic ring is secured. And with this tail, I can just grab it like this or make it wider, okay? Smaller or wider. So let's start. So this is the magic ring. So let's go to the first row.